Hello guys, welcome back to Robothought Zero to Hero series, and we are on lesson number 85, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, I'm going to show you something different. What you're going to learn today is about while continue statement, right? You have learned about multiple types of statement. Now in this lesson I'm going to show while continue statement. So basically with the break statement we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true, right? But how do you continue that? Let's see how it works. Let me open my Jetson Nano terminal, and I hope you guys have it already. I am into my terminal. Let's open the previous file, nano while.py. Alright, so this was our previous code, which I am going to delete it now. And then let me use this similar kind of example. Say I equals to 0, and then while statement, while I is less than say 6. Okay, let me give a space, less than 6, colon, most important guys, and then indentation, I plus 1 equals I plus 1 equals, let's say 1. Okay, that is incremental. And then if condition, if I equal, say we had given 6 on top, so let's say 3, I equal 3, and then 2 colon. Now you need to use this particular keyword called continue. Okay, now how do you use that? Indentation guys, indentation, continue. Can you see the color changes? That's very important. And then you give a print. Okay, print I. Alright, I hope this works. All my syntax seems to be correct. Let's see. Control O to save the nano file, and then enter, and then Control X to exit out of nano IDE. Now let's execute this Python file on the terminal. Python 3 while.py. Oh no. What does this error say? I plus 1 equals 1. Let me just go back. Nano while.py. Let's see what's the mistake. I plus 1 equals 1. That seems to be correct. I equals to 0. Okay, while I is less than 6, colon, I plus equals 1. I think guys, I should not give a space here, because oh sorry, it's my mistake guys. It's supposed to be I plus or equals. Okay, alright. Such a silly mistake, man. Where did that 1 come in from? Oh my god, guys, it's very normal, it's very common, so do not get panicked. These kind of silly mistake, it's a typo, right? Sometimes you think something else in your mind, logically, and you keep typing. Sometimes the strokes go wrong, and silly mistake. See, there is one more 1 came in. Okay, alright, now I think it should work. Let me give a, yeah, I think it should work. Control O, enter, Control X. Alright, now Python 3 while.py. No, what's the problem, man? Let me open nano while.py. I think the indentation might be, there should be a problem with the indentation. I don't know, let's say, yeah, I think I plus 1 plus or I plus equals 1, and if I is equal 3, okay, and then continue and print I. Logically it's the same, right? It should work, guys. Control O, enter, control X. All right, python 3 while.py. There you go. 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, it's just continuing, guys. Did you see some of the mistakes which I made, right? Even a small space between plus and equal, it matters a lot. Even the indentation, if there is a slight, mistake in the space and kind of thing, it doesn't work. So that's how, guys. I mean, you got to really take care of all the indentations and syntaxes, space, the comma, the colon, and double quote, single quote. All these matters a lot in Python, so you got to be really careful. Once you start practicing, you'll get along and you're going to be absolutely fantastic. All right, guys, I'm going to see you soon in the next lesson. Bye bye till then.